Welcome to Santa Eulalia, a picturesque coastal town in wintertime. Today, we're exploring the charm of this enchanting place, but does it lose its magic when the beloved restaurants close their doors? Let's find out. As we stroll through the quiet streets of Santa Eulalia on this chilly winter day, a sense of tranquility washes over us. The bustle of summertime tourism has vanished, revealing a whole new side to this hidden gem. First, we head to the waterfront, usually bustling with people enjoying meals at the charming waterfront restaurants. But in winter, the chairs and tables sit empty. The once lively atmosphere transformed into a serene oasis, where one can truly appreciate the rhythmic crashing of the waves. Next, we make our way to the town square, a vibrant hub during the busier months. Now, it stands deserted. The laughter and chatter that once filled the air substituted by the gentle whisper of the wind. Though the cafes are closed, the beauty of the architecture and the warmth of the surrounding buildings remain intact. We venture into a nearby park, covered in a blanket of frost. As we wander beneath the leafless trees, we discover a hidden playground, its swings swaying lightly in the breeze. Though the laughter of children is absent, the echoes of joy linger, interwoven with the peacefulness of a winter's day. Next, we visit the local market, where vendors usually display their colorful arrays of fresh produce. Now, their stalls are empty, but the lingering aroma of spices and the memories of shared meals with loved ones remain in the air. As our journey comes to an end, we find ourselves back at the waterfront, taking one last look at the empty restaurant terraces. While Santa Eulalia may appear deserted in winter, it reveals a unique kind of charm. It's a time when the town's true essence can be savored, unspoiled by the masses. So, does Santa Eulalia lose its magic in the winter? Not at all. It simply takes on a different form, offering a serene and reflective experience unlike any other time of the year. Join us next time as we continue to unravel the hidden treasures of Santa Eulalia. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more explorations like this.
Y ahora va.
Mira. No voy a ir. Pues no me llores. Beber agua, Bruno.
Wir waren hier im Haus mit noch einer anderen Freundin und waren mit ihr auf der Karte. Und dann haben wir das dann gegessen, dann wollten wir schwimmen, rumrennen.
So yeah, just get down, up and down.
Ich merke, du bist Papi. Auto geht kaputt.
No, ja. Okay.
So let me turn around with David.
Esto le dije yo el otro día, digo, lo negativo que tiene.
Bueno, pero te puedes ir a cualquier hotel a desayunar. schön.